Offensive. Hello everyone, welcome to revisiting offensive security. Today we will going to learn about what is router and how it work and advantage, disadvantage, everything about the router. This is the lecture 4 of our networking. Router connects LAN to internet. Routers used to connect LAN to the internet. Internet means ISP, internet service provider. There are multiple computers which are connected through the LAN, and LAN are connected through the router, which is connected through ISP, internet service provider, which is internet. Connects multiple computer to network and directs data between them. There are multiple computers are connected, and if this is the user one wants to search something on Google, if he request search something, and he goes, it makes a packet. These packets and go through the router captures this packet and analyze, and after this packet is sent to the ISP, internet, and internet is Google gives a response to the router, and router again analyze that packet, and this packet is transferred through the IP address of the user one. There are 3 users which is connected through the LAN. 3 users have unique IP address, different IP address. Then router capture that packet and analyze its header IP address, destination source, and this router send that packet to the correct destination. This is the main work of the router. Main work: choose a congestion free path through which packet travel. Router receives packet. Router used to, there are multiple one device is connected through the router and a ISP. If router have a packet, one packet, and he wants to send this packet to the user one, there are multiple routes. Router determines routes, one routes, second routes, and third routes. There are multiple routes. Okay, then router choose a shortest path, which is one shortest path, and he send that packet to the user. Routers connect both LAN and WAN and internet. Router LAN connects multiple computers, and LANs are connected through the router, and routers are connected through the WAN, and WAN again ISP, which is the internet. Router also used to connect LAN through the WAN. Assigns IP address by DHCP. Router is used to assign IP address by using DHCP. DHCP means dynamic host configuration protocol, the full form, which is used to automatically generate a IP address to the users. If a Wi-Fi router, if my laptop is connected through the router and routers use DHCP server, DHCP to regenerate IP address to that users, and he assign the IP address. And if my mobiles are connected to the router, then my mobiles have the unique IP address, not the both IP address are the same, both are the different IP address, which is used by the DHCP. Routers also maintain firewall, which is used for security purpose. For restrict some unauthorized users to access routers data, routers private network, then routers have the security for protect his private network or etc. Types of router: wired, which is Ethernet USB cable, and wireless. Ethernet means routers have the RJ45, mainly this is the network card NIC RJ45. This is also a Ethernet, which is wired. And Wi-Fi, wireless core router, which is used by the ISP to manage internet. And edge router. Edge router means there are two ISP are connected through the edge router, which is BGP, border gateway protocol, If a organization have multiple routers and every routers are connected multiple devices, and a border gateway routers also present, BGP, border gateway protocol, which is called. All routers are connected through the border gateway protocol, which is connected through the ISP. And again, if one or more ISP, then one BGP also connected through the second ISP. Works at the OSI layer. Router works on OSI layer 3, which is network layer. Protocol used by the routers. There are several protocols used by the routers, which one is IP, Internet Protocol, which is used for transferring the packets means our packet. If one packet which have my IP address and also have data, IP address of the destination and the source and the data, IP is used to packet forwarding. ICMP for the diagnostics pinging. If IP address goes from the source destination to the source to the destination IP address, which goes through the ICMP packets. These packets are mainly ICMP packets. Routing protocol is used to first Routing protocol is used to determine all the possible routes from source to the destination to transferring the packets, and which is used by the RIP, means routing information protocols, which is used to obtain information how much routes are available for transferring our data, and OSPF, open shortest path first. If there are 5 paths for transferring the data, then routers have a protocol OSPF which choose the shortest path for transferring the packets. BGP is used to connect between two ISPs. Network address translation. Network address translation is used to converting private IP to the public IP. Means that if I have two IP address, which one is mainly my private IP address, which is fixed our private IP address, and if I search something on the browser and this request goes through the internet, then I have got a public IP address which goes through the public IP address. This converter is used by the NAT is used to converting private IP address to the public IP address. DHCP is used to dynamically provide IP address to the user. Maintain routing table. Router is also used to maintain routing table, which path is used to transferring the data packet to the destination. Also some advantage and disadvantage of the router. Advantage. First we will talk about advantage of the routers. Rate of the transmission. Our packet is transmission very high. Routers uses some algorithm for best path. Routers use algorithm to choose a best path for transferring the data packets. Disadvantage is expensive, complex to maintain, and security issue. That's all.